Hey, Michael here from Kayak Carts. Today I'm actually working on building a cart for my kayak for in my garage. I have a large storage unit here that I store my three Feelfree Dorados. I wanted something that I could move around my garage real easily, and it's not this big old trailer here. I wanted the same height as this, that way I can slip it on and off as I need to. But it's cheap and easy, and let's go for it. Okay, what I want to do today is when I build this cart is I want to be able to make it where I can back my trailer up, slide it in and off and on, back and forth between the cart and the trailer. So I'm gonna do it the same height. Go all the way up to here, be able to slip on and off quick and easy. Okay, for this middle piece, what I did was, instead of doing it horizontally, or this way, I did this boards this way so I could put a support beam in the middle. In retrospect, I probably should have done the same thing on these. That was my original plan, but I didn't quite go to my plan. But this should work. Okay, I do want to apologize. The last part of my video decided it did not want to record. My camera decided it wanted to stop. So the only thing you missed was I did put 6-inch or 6-foot boards on the very top, and I did put carpet on them. I'm not the best at putting carpet, but you're probably better at it than I am. But yeah, I just put carpet to make it a little smoother. It does have the 3-inch caster wheels on it, which allows this thing to spin around however I want to do it. This is the same height as my trailer. So whenever I'm ready to unload my trailer, I just wheel it like this, and back it up to my trailer, pull it on. I could drag it into my garage that way. I can always do the same thing with my large storage unit here, but I hate moving that thing around. It's good for storage of all my kayaks, but you know, if for in the summertime, usually I do most of the kayaking. My wife, you know, just does it from time to time. So this allows me to pull my kayak out. I can use it, do whatever I need to. Let me give you a little rundown of everything I used with this thing. Okay, let's take a look here. At the bottom, I have 3-inch caster wheels on all four. I have 5-inch or 5-foot boards across the bottom, right here and right there. On the sides, I have 21-inch along the horizontal right there, and also along there. And on the bottom right here, I'm actually using 18-inch. That's just more to support the caster wheels and the boards that are going up to support the actual kayak. So the actual boards going up right here, you know, these are 25 3/4. That's to give me the height that I need, which is, I believe, 36 inches from the ground to where my trailer is. If you look from the middle, I do have a crossbar right in the middle. That's just to help support it. I don't have any crossbars on the front or on the back. There you have it. It's not a real hard project. It's not very expensive. I think I used about 9 2x4s. I kind of messed up a little bit, so I had to kind of redo a little bit. So there you have it. Those caster wheels on the bottom really do help out quite a bit there. How you do yours kind of depends on you. Now the big deal is to figure out the width of your kayak and how it needs to sit. And you can always adjust that. Let's take a look at actually unloading this thing. Unloading my kayak, which is right there, onto here. Let's take a look. Okay, let me give you a demonstration of unloading my kayak off my trailer. This trailer right here is that Malone Micro Sport. It's a high up trailer. So whenever I'm trying to unload it, you know, I did this cart just where I can slide it right onto the cart. I can push it off to the side. So all I have to do is pull it back. Slide it on. Now it's nice. I can even it out, and it is on it. Now all I have to do is unlock the wheels. And I can move it around to wherever I need to. And that is the purpose of it. So now, anywhere in my garage I want to move this thing to, I just move it around. It's quick and easy. Whenever I get it in the right spot, I lock the wheels, that way it doesn't move around, and we're good to go. That is my kayak cart. I hope this helped you. I want to give you a quick demonstration or a little overlook of my large storage unit here. That can be a pain sometimes, but especially in the wintertime, it's great for me to be able to store my kayaks. away and actually store all 3 of them, because I have 3 of these Feelfree Dorados. So let's take a look at this now. Okay. Just as I added, since we're talking about carts here, you've seen my smaller cart. Yeah, what we just built. This is my monster. It's 3 tiers of kayak. Each kayak weighs about 125 pounds a piece. That's my wife's kayak right there. And what I got is, fell down, but I have little mounts right there for PFDs. That's my wife's. Mine's in my car, my truck, should I say. That's my dog's. And I got enough spots for 7 fishing rods attached on here. I catfish, so pretty much all the same rods. On the bottom, right now I have storage, but in the wintertime I put all 3 kayaks on this cart. I have large, super strong caster wheels on the bottom. What I got for underneath, I have 2 2x4s. The top 2x4 I actually have sanded down so it slides right on there. If I could build it again, I'd probably make it a little stronger, but I'm using 2x4s all the way across, all the way up. Get it all braced. Each one of these layers are all exactly the same. Okay, let's take a look at the other side. This side, I have a battery station recharging spot. I charge different batteries. Different batteries across here. And I have 3 of my Feelfree Dorado, or Feelfree overdrives. 2 of them with the motors. And at the bottom, I actually have some paddles. So that is my layout. This does go up to almost top of my garage, but it's really sturdy. It's lasted me over a year now. I can wheel it all around my garage. You know, the wheels actually have the locking on there as well. I haven't had no issues. But if you have any questions about this, let me know. Hey, I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you liked it, make sure you like the video, and make sure you subscribe. That way I can kind of keep getting information to you. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down here, ask me, send me a personal message. I will help you as much as I can. Thanks a lot.